Increasingly, people today are moving towards adopting minimalist and sustainable lifestyles. This trend inspired the creation of a beautifully designed 90 square meter tiny house. This house is a perfect example of combining the beauty of nature with a clever design that meets the requirements of modern life. Thanks to thoughtful furniture selections and storage solutions, every corner is used efficiently. Walls painted in white tones illuminate the space, while natural wood floors and details add warmth. This impressive design of the tiny house encompasses not only the interiors, but also its surroundings. This house offers an exemplary living space by combining functionality and aesthetics while maximizing the use of less space. This 90 square meter tiny house also promotes a sustainable lifestyle. This tiny house shows that people can achieve more with less and enjoy life in harmony with nature.